Hello guys, welcome to this new session. Previous session we discussed pipe diameter notation analysis from two various different drawing. Today I am going to discuss very important one information regarding the pipe fitting. So you can see here there are many types of pipe fittings we use in our MEP system. So we already discussed in the plumbing system, drainage system, chill water supply, firefighting system, LP gas supply. These are the pipe work involved MEP system. So if pipe work involve any MEP system, then we have to think another item is fittings. At this point, you can ask a question. If fittings involve in the pipe work, what about the measurement rules? Yes, we have an answer in the Principle of Measurement International, the POMI book, section Q 2.2. You can see the section Q, the mechanical engineering installation. Under this main section, there is a subsection pipe work and cutter work. So Q 2.2 mention fittings. So we have an answer. The fittings to small pipe mean we already discussed in our previous session. Below 60 diameters pipe we can call as a small pipe. So these small pipe fittings shall be understood to be included, mean no need to calculate separately for this small pipe fittings. Then the fittings for the large pipe mean internal diameter of the pipe above the 60. So the fittings for the large pipe shall be enumerated. Enumerated mean count. We have an answer for your question. Alright, as a MEP quantity surveyor should have a very proper knowledge in this pipe fitting. In this session, I am not going to discuss all the fittings, but have a look one special thing for a particular fitting. Yes, it is called as a elbow. You can see here, there is a elbow. You can think, what is the special in this elbow? Yes, we have the special in this fitting. Generally, in the pipe work, we use these four types of elbows: the 30-degree elbow, 45-degree elbow, 60-degree elbow, 90-degree elbow. But the problem is, MEP quantity surveyors, they confused how to identify these angles: 90-degree, 60-degree, 45-degree, 30-degree in the drawing. Yes, in this session we are going to very clearly discuss how to identify this angle of these elbows which use in the pipe work. Before analyze this angle, I will show these elbows through this 3D model. So in the POMI we discussed there are two types of pipes: small pipe and big pipe. Small pipe mean below 60 diameter, the big pipe mean above 60 diameter. So you can see here there are small pipe and big pipe. These are the small pipe. The pink colors, these are the big pipes. So the white colors, it's fittings. You can see here there are various types of fittings involved in this 3D model. So now I'm going to focus to identify the elbows first. Here you can see these are the elbows. You can see these are the small pipe elbow, but you can see there is another big pipe elbow also here. You can see here there are another big pipe elbow, and also you can find out the same elbow here. You can find out another elbow here. You can see this one also elbow. So it is a little bit complicated. If you learn properly, then you can manage. And also we can see here there's another elbow, and also you can see here there's another elbow. This yellow color pipe also we can find out these elbows here. These are the 1, 2 elbow. Right. The problem is angle. So we cannot say these are the 90-degree elbows. So these are the 45-degree elbows. So the problem is how to identify the exact angle of this elbow. We will discuss through this picture. This picture clearly indicates the angles: 90 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree. So what is 90 degree? Let's start through this elbow. The 90 degree mean you have to just imagine you have to draw a line here. The first line, the second line. So the internal angle of these lines is 90 degrees. So that's why we called as a 90 degree elbow. Right. The second one, you can make one line here, like the second line through this surface, and also you can find out these are the angle of this elbow. So in this angle, 60 degree angle. Same like this, we can draw here one line, the second line through this surface. So you can also identify the angle of this elbow is 45. So 30 mean you can see one line, second line. So this is 30 degree. So this is the behind strategy to identify the angle of elbows. Now I am going to show this 3D model again. Now you can easily identify the elbow angle. You can see here the first one, this is the windpipe. So this one is 90 degree, we already discussed. So we have to make these two lines. So this is the internal angle of this elbow, 90 degree. Same like this, you can find here there are 90 degree elbow here. Then you can see there is another type. You can see there is a 45 degree elbow. There is another 45 degree elbow, two like this. And also you can see here another 45 degree elbow. Based on your experience, you can easily identify the angle, but now you can feel some a little bit hard. Based on your workout, you can easily identify. You can see there is a 90 degree, and also you can see here there is 45, 90. Hopefully you will enjoy in this session. Same like this, we will publish many interesting and knowledgeful session in future also. So connect with us.